Monarch just arrived a month and a half late. This one came from New Zealand. Took a month and 2 weeks to arrive, but hope it's worth it. Got my case. It's gonna be my second box of Monarch. What am I hoping for? Chain stuff, of course. See how lucky we are. Just bringing out the packs, make it easier. I think we'll open the light pack, see how lucky the light is. Also building my deck for Classic Constructed. See what we got. Seeds. Okay, Dream Weavers, Seep and Shadows, Spew Shadow, which is my playmat, Phantasmify. So there's the foil and the rares. Trying to do a quick and fast box opening. Trying to be as quick as possible. I do have 3 more boxes. Not sure if I'll be able to do a video for all of them. Might just open it off camera. Minnowism foil. No Majestic so far. Those light packs were crap. Let's take a look. Man, I can barely see the foil. Okay. Raiden for the first Majestic. Not bad. Where are we hoping to see? Luminaris, maybe? Need one for my Prism. Man, these foils. Soul Reaping. Like a foil Soul Reaping. Dimensional Gateway, Arc-like Sentinel, second Majestic. I think so far the Majestics have been in the dark packs. Shadow. Illuminate. All from Beyond, Convulsions from the Bellow of Hell. Believe it or not, I actually need Red Pitch, All from Beyond. I still need a set for Levia or Chain. Ghostly Visit. Battlefield Blitz, Rise Above. See how fast we can crack packs. Okay, Foil Herald. Always pretty. Still planning on getting one more box of Crucible. Building a Viserai. Vexing Malice. Seek Horizon. Seeping Shadows. Should still get about 4 or 5 more Majestics. Let's take a look. Yanti, Dreamweavers, Valiant Thrust, Unhallowed Rites. We did get a distributor for the Philippines, so that's good news for us. Flexing Malice. Wow, I can't tell if it's foil or not. It's really hard. Too bad we're still on lockdown. Delay shipping a bit. Yes, a foil Shadow Blasphemous with a Soul Harvest and a Sonata. It's an amazing pack, by the way. That would have been good and sealed. Herald of Triumph foil. Herald of Triumph. LSS, come on. Can we fix that? Can we fix that, please? Monarch has had some problems with collation. These packs came from New Zealand, which explains the delay, I guess. Recapping. We've only had 3 foils. Sorry, 3 Majestics and 1 foil Majestic. Let's see what we get. Inti Yanti, Duspat, Plow True. For the legendaries, I think Carrion Husk is the thing we're looking for. Talisman of Dowsing. Phantasmaclasm. Pretty happy with the Sonata and Shadow of Blasphemous. Also looking for Shadow of Ursa. Add 2 for my Blitz. Just need 1 for the constructed deck. Convulsions from the Bellows of Hell. One of the most hardcore metal names ever. Oh, nice. Second foil, Rouse the Ancients. And that's actually on my list. Need it for a few decks. 2 foil Majestics. Both of them are usable. Can't complain. Riftline, red. That one's going to my chain deck for some bling. Next up. Come on. Really? This is foil? Okay. If you say so, LSS. Should have a Majestic in these last few packs. Hoping for an L. Not gonna get legendary, I guess. Alright, so we have 5 Majestics. Ideally, these 2 packs should have a Majestic each. Otherwise, this is a really bad box. Here we go. Warmonger's Recital. Flexing Malice. Lumina Ascension. That completes my set. I actually have a set for Blitz. Now I can make Bolton do Classic Constructed. So we have 6. Ideally, in a perfect world, this should have a Majestic. Herald of Triumph. Here we go. Pulping. Tear limb from limb. Alright. That's it, folks. Grand total. See you next time for the next box.